at Botanical Garden.
Alright guys, here comes the Baguio Botanical Garden. So let me tell you a short story about this one guys. Actually, before with my friends, hindi talaga namin to napuntahan tong Baguio Botanical Garden. So, ngayon, I'm so much excited. Talagang pinaghandaan ko yung araw na yan. And as you can see, sa damit ko guys, talagang botanical na botanical yung aura natin dyan. However, medyo dismayado. Medyo lang naman. Hindi naman that harsh. So, medyo dismayado tayo ng konti dyan. Dahil, I am expecting na maraming bulaklak. Like, botanical nga, diba? So, plants, different kinds of flowers and all. Pero siguro, I am not just in the right season ng pagpunta ko doon. Kaya, konti lang yung flowers.
So beautiful. Look. Nice. Hey. Little flowers. And I was not able to take a picture of the sunflower there. And kita nyo naman po yung init. Makikita yan sa eyeglass ko. Ayan po, nagda-dark yung eyeglass ko. Ibig pong sabihin, mainit talaga. But still, yung init niya ay may lamig na humahaplos. Charot! Ayan! So, ang ganda, di ba?
So, ayun na nga. Yun lang yung flower talaga na na-enjoy ko doon tsaka yung sunflower. Kasi nga naman guys, 100 pesos yung entrance fee dito. So medyo, kaya dismayado ko ng konti. Kasi may lugar ako na napuntahan. The name is Bell Church. I'm going to share it also to you very soon. 20 pesos lang ang entrance ko doon. And I really enjoy the place, the ambience, the view. Basta, mas maganda doon kung ako lang talaga ang magsabi, no? Talagang mas gusto ko doon. Mas marami akong pictures doon. So, tingnan nyo yan. Yan lang talaga yung flowers nila. But then, it's okay. Masaya pa rin naman ako as you can see in my face, diba? Pero, nagustuhan ko talaga yung Bell Church. And then, here, TikTok tayo for remembrance. And, yeah, that's it for Botanical Garden. Stand by for more. Bye!